We have a newer Volkswagen key fob here, and if you're running into the issue where the emergency key falls out, I'm going to show you how this remote kind of works and what the problem is. Okay, so you'll notice that if your key falls out, probably this button is stuck in. Okay, that's what releases the key. Okay, there's actually a spring connected to this little piece here that locks it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this back cover off, and this is how this ends up breaking. Is the removal of the back cover. So there's a little slot in here that you can push the back cover up and off. A little slot right here. Just push the back cover off like that. And the spring right here, this U-shaped spring, comes undone. It won't lock the key. All right. It's real easy to touch and hit when you go ahead and replace the batteries on these things. See, I'm touching it right there. That's how it comes out like that. So what you need to do is find it if you have it in here still. Put it back just like it's installed like this, okay? Because basically it puts tension on the locking mechanism. It's in this thing. So this one, I've kind of screwed this one up nice and good now. So it won't lock. So if you look at this spring, it's shaped a certain way. It'll only go down in here a certain way. It's pretty hard to do just holding it in my hand like this. I think I can get it. But what I want it to do is I want it to actually unlock this, push this guy out, so it needs to be installed correctly. So I hope this helps you out, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a comment. Let me know that this video helped you out with this key situation here. There we go. Volkswagens here. All right. Should be good to go. Hopefully that helped you out a little bit, okay?